and definition of custom consumer production. Consumer production refers to economic activities in which individuals or households act not only as consumer of goods and service but also as producers who create value for their own use or for exchange. In classical economic theory, consumers are traditionally viewed as passive users of goods produced by firms. However, in modern economic, especially in the digital and creative economy, consumers increasingly participate actively in the product process. The concept is closely related to prosumer theory. Alvin Toffler, which explains the blending of product and consumer roles. Household production theory, Gary Becker, which views households as productive units that transform time, skills, and research into utility generating goods and service. Characteristic of consumer production. Consumer production has several distinctive characteristics. Self-directed product. The production process is initiated and controlled by consumer based on their personal needs and preference. Small scale or micro based mass consumer production takes place at a whole household or individual level with limited capital and technology. Dual purpose output may be used for personal consumption, non-commercial or market exchange commercial, especially in digital performance. Technology driven. Modern consumer production relies heavily on smartphone, social media, e-commerce platform, digital payment system, fixed and informal structure. Many consumer products operate without formal business registration, especially in developing economies. Form of consumer product. Household-based consumer product. These include activities such as home cooking for family consumption, home gardening, home-based handicrafts, repair and maintenance service. These activities reduce dependency on the formal market and increase household economic efficiency. Digital consumer production. In the digital economy, consumers product value in the form of social media content, YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, online review and ratings, digital design, template, and digital art, freelance service, through online platform. Here, here consumer contribute direct to platform value creation and even generate income. Community-based consumer production. This form involves collection production for shared benefit such as community farming, cooperative-based micro production, shared kitchen, and local creative hubs. Economic role of consumer production from a macroeconomic and microeconomic perspective. Consumer production plays several strategic roles: increasing household welfare. Household can reduce expenses and increase real income through self-production, encouraging entrepreneurship. Many formal business grow from small consumer production activities, supporting MSMEs. Micro, small, and medium enterprise. Consumer production is a key foundation of the MSME sector, especially in developing economies. Strengthening the creative economy. Creative industries such as fashion, food, digital content, and crafts are dominated by consumer products, reducing unemployment. It opens a case to income generation with low entry barriers. Consumer production in the digital economy. Digital transformation has significantly expanded the scope of consumer production. Consumer now function as content producer, online sellers, digital freelance, affiliate markets, application and template development. E-commerce platform, social media marketplace, and on-demand service platform have converted consumer into active economic agents rather than passive buyers. This shift has reshaped traditional value chains and strengthened the role of individuals in national economic system. challenge of consumer production. Despite its benefit, consumer production face several change. Limit capital and technology. Most consumer products rely on personal research. Lack of legal protection. Informal status often result in weak legal standing. Low productivity and scalability. Production volume is often limited. Market access constraints. Many consumer products struggle to access stable markets. Financial and tax literacy gaps. Weak financial management and low tax awareness can hinder sustainability. Relationship between consumer production and business entities. Consumer production complement business entities too, supplying raw material and semi-finished product, acting as resellers or micro-distributor, contributing content and digital service, forming supply chain linked to larger companies. Larger corporations increasingly integrate consumer product through partnership, modern platform-based ecosystem, affiliate and creator economy system. This integration strategy inclusive economic growth. Conclusion: customer product represent a structural transformation in how economic value is created. Consumers are no longer limited to demand-side rules but increasingly operate as producers, innovators, and micro-entrepreneurs. Supported by digital technology, customer production enhances household welfare, stimulates entrepreneurship, strengthens MSMEs, and support the creative economy. In modern economic system, consumer production is not a marginal activity but a strategic pillar of inclusive digital and sustainable economic development.